Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ritika and I'm going to be talking about my travel and clear out your doubts. And today's video is about Rajasthan, Jaipur. I was there in Jaipur for 3 days. I'll directly get into it. I realized that I like talking about my travel and that is something I could help people with. So here it is, what we did and what was hard, what wasn't, what is like gaslit on the internet, or if there are any fake pricing told by influencers on Instagram. I'll clearly tell you what all were the prices, what were the scams, what were misleading, etc. etc. So we reached Jaipur at 12 o'clock or something. We took a flight from Hyderabad. It cost us 6,000. And once we reached Jaipur, the check-in time was 2 p.m. And we stayed at Hostler. It was a great place. Do not think it is at a great location too. So I suggested, this is not a paid promotion, but the service was great, so I'm suggesting. We checked in, we got ready, and um, our planning was a little wrong because we didn't plan any time for eating or changing or getting freshen up or like getting some rest. Please make sure you make time in your travel planning to get rest. A 10-minute rest is more than enough. So we didn't have that thing planned. So जो हड़बड़ी हम कर रहे थे 2 बजे चेक इन करने के बाद, we are like, oh, we should already be at Hawa Mahal at this time. And I'm like, I didn't take a bath. I didn't have time to sit down. We didn't have anything. What are we going to have? When are we going to have? So don't do that mistake. I hope you plan your meals अच्छे से. So we got ready and निकलते निकलते थोड़ा शाम हो गया था. But what can we do? So we reached Hawa Mahal. Um, See, from personal point of view, I will say you can skip Hawa Mahal. But it's one of those things, and it's a beautiful place, and it's definitely fun. So do visit. And I don't think I have anything more to tell you guys what to do in Jaipur, so why not check out these stuff. So after checking out Hawa Mahal and getting some good pictures in the daylight, we went to a cafe, Tattoo Cafe, जहाँ से view sexy था. There are so many other cafes also, but yeah, Tattoo was fine too, so you have many options. We had lunch very late at 4 o'clock or something, and then it started raining because we went in rainy season, but not going to lie, it was gorgeous. Watching Jaipur on a rainy day, but it was flooded at that point. Like, yeah, there were floods happening here and there in Rajasthan, and I'm like, damn. But thoda tourist crowd come time. I mean, the point in Jaipur is, even though there is no tourists, I think locals do visit these places a lot, like often. So I guess, yeah, it's always like full or like half full. So after Hawa Mahal, we had City Palace planned, but then it was pouring very badly. After having our lunch, we took a tuk-tuk. Yeah, please take tuk-tuks. Just don't listen to them when it comes to like, oh, we will take you to forts and all. Don't do that. It's I mean, if you want to suffer, yes, they'll loot your money, yes, they'll overcharge you, yes, and then they'll take you to places to जहाँ पे उनको commission मिलता हो to shop for साड़ियाँ वाड़ियाँ. एक shop चलता है, but if they're just like wasting all your money, there's no point. So just take tuk-tuks from one place to another. So like from Hawa Mahal to City Palace, we took a tuk-tuk. We went there, City Palace में इतना बारिश हो रहा था, and it was already late. So we were like, damn, we still भीगते भीगते हम अम्ब्रेला लेके जाना भूल गए, भीगते भीगते थोड़ा इधर उधर म्यूजियम देख लिया. City Palace is a very beautiful place. The entry ticket is 500 or something, but then राजा का वो जो पैलेस हमको तुम लोगों को इंस्टाग्राम पे दिख जाता है ना, ब्लू कलर का वॉल्स है, एक सेक्सी सा कमरा है, all the foreigners are like taking pictures, that is 3,000 rupees. So think about it, and yeah, it's definitely worth it, but अंग्रेजों के लिए जितना अफोर्डेबल वो है हमारे लिए नहीं है. So we looked at City Palace, it was fine. We still, I think, missed out on one or two museums over there. We saw the Weaponry Museum and some other stuff, and we saw the Light and Sound Show. The Light and Sound Show is like, it was gorgeous on a rainy day, but I would say it's just about history and it's fun. You can watch it, and it is included in the ticket, so why not? That is about City Palace. And then later, the mistake we did was we still wanted to see Jal Mahal, and we took this auto guy. The problem was at that point Uber या कुछ चल नहीं रहा था, so we had to go with the autos, and it was raining badly, so no autos were coming or tuk-tuks were coming. So there was only this one auto guy who made a fool out of us, and he's like, I'll take you to Jal Mahal, I'll take you to this, I'll take you to that. चार और नाम बोला. We are like, अभी ऑप्शन क्या है भाई बोल गए. We just sat down in the auto. पहले तो बोलता है जल महल लेके जाने के बाद बोलता है हाँ अभी it's flooded, you can't see it. I'm like, तो आपने बोला क्यों? He's literally saying, मैंने कब बोला? I'm like, I took it because you took. I was so furious, but then I didn't want to lose it in front of those locals, and I was like, come on, yaar, bol de. Then he's like, you have to, pay for this. I'm like, you told me that I could visit it. After bringing me here, you're telling me that I cannot. I'm like, you, whatever. सो वापस जाते वक्त बोलते मैं आपको एक बाबा के पास लेके जाऊंगा। हम लाइक बाबा से मिलने थोड़ी आई हूँ इधर। गॉड, बाबा के पास वो ये बोल के मेरे को इरिटेट किया बहुत देर बहुत बहुत देर तक। फिर हमने बोला भाई चुपचाप हमको एक खाने की जगह पे छोड़ दें। आई थिंक मिष्ठान भंड या सम मिष्ठान भंडार इज अ वेरी फेमस वन, आई विल ऐड इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। सो वी आर लाइक जस्ट बस वहाँ पे छोड़ दे, बकवास मत करियो। बीच में बोलता है एक शॉप है, अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े मिलेंगे, शॉप कर लो। देन वी आर लाइक एनीवेज डोंट हैव टाइम टू शॉप एनीवेयर एल्स, सो लेट्स जस्ट गो विद देम। हाँ, उनका बेनिफिट हो ही जाएगा, बट देन कुछ तो खरीदना फैमिलीज के लिए। सो वी आर लाइक वी जस्ट वेंट देयर एंड बॉट सम साड़ीज एंड कुर्ताज। आफ्टर दैट वी आस्क्ड हिम टू लीव देयर। फिर बोलता है कल आपको कहाँ जाना है, हम छोड़ देंगे। वो ये बोल के इतना देर, डूड यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू से नो टू दीज पीपल बिकॉज दे they're very good, they'll make you say yes, but then we were very persistent and we both said आपका नंबर दे दो, हम आपको कॉल कर लेंगे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो। एंड देन वो मान गया एंड देन ही इज लाइक मैं आपको 100 रुपये या 50 रुपये का ऑफर दूंगा अभी, अगर आप कल मेरे को अपने टूर के लिए लेके जाओ। माई फ्रेंड से ठीक है। सो ही इज लाइक हमको 50 रुपये ऑफर में 250 कुछ पे किया उसको। फिर कल उसको कॉल नहीं किया। डोंट कॉल दीज पीपल, दे जस्ट या वेस्ट योर टाइम लाइक दे डिड, दे टुक मी टू जलमहल एंड बोलते फिर नहीं देख सकते। सो डोंट डू दैट बुलशिट। फिर हम हॉस्टल पहुंचे, we like changed and we were finally about to get rest and नींद नहीं आ रहा था। these things happen guys, these things happen। anyways नींद नहीं आ रहा था, थोड़ी देर रैंट करके, मेरा वीडियो तो आपको दिख जाएगा रैंट करने का। थोड़ी देर रैंट करके हम सो गए, 12 बजे या 1 बजे तक सो गए थे। फिर अगला दिन सुबह उठ के we had the plan to watch Albert Hall Museum. So what was the mistake for our day 2 was we had so much planned on day 2, so it kind of ruined our health. So I'll tell you. So we woke up early in the morning, we directly got ready and we went off to Albert Hall Museum, and then we are like damn, we are hungry, we're just like skipping breakfast and everything. Although I think hostler has breakfast to offer, but then we didn't wake up on time, you have to go upstairs and eat. I think it's good, but you know we were tired. So उसके बाद हम लोग एल्बर्ट हॉल म्यूजियम अच्छे से तैयार होके, we were a little energetic. The museum was, oh, don't miss it, do not miss the museum. The ticket was also something like 200 and it's completely worth it, and the stuff is beautiful inside the museum. You should definitely check out the museum and get good pictures clicked. After that we are like हमको खाना खाना है, so we went to a local place to eat breakfast, and the local place is also very famous. I'll attach it in the description. Memory loss issue है मेरे को, नाम याद नहीं रहते। I'll tell you, you should definitely try. So yeah, the local places are very good. So for the day 2, we planned on going to forts after the Albert Hall Museum. So the second day we booked a cab directly from Uber to Nahargarh Fort. That was a mistake. Okay, it's better to book their tourist packages. जयपुर का ट्रैवलर टूरिज्म में है पैकेजेस, आई विल अटैच इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. दे आर गुड. Some drivers are like late and not on time, but they are like professional, neat driving, and they can talk, communicate, and all. And if you know Hindi, it's a very good thing. So it's better to take a day ka cab, because what happened with this Uber cab guy that we took there was he came and he picked us up at the ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेस, एंड ब्रेकफास्ट प्लेस से पिकअप करने के बाद वी वेंट टू नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट. नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट में हमको जाने के बाद बोलता है कि मैडम आपको यहाँ पे नेटवर्क नहीं आएगा. इफ़ यू वांट मी टू स्टे आई विल स्टे, बट देन आई विल आल्सो टेक यू टू द नेक्स्ट फोर्ट एंड आई विल स्टे विथ यू द होल डे. यू पे मी 2000. ओके, साउंडेड फेयर. आई एम लाइक ठीक है, हमारे लिए वेट करेगा जितनी देर हम फोर्ट देखेंगे एंड वगैरह वगैरह. आई वाज आल्सो ट्राइंग टू बी नाइस एंड आई वाज लाइक इसको खाना भी ऑफर कर लेंगे. सो वी आर लाइक या अब नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा था हमारे वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद, एंड आई वाज लाइक and we got scared. We were like damn, but okay, so we said sure आप रुकिए, हम आपको थोड़ा एडवांस पेमेंट कुछ 500 किए, वो वहीं पे रुक गया. हम नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट देख लिए. दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल येट गॉर्जियस फोर्ट. आई थिंक देर वर 2 forts we had to choose between, जयगढ़ और नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट. जयगढ़ इज लाइक अ their army battalion or soldiers का ये था, where Nahargarh is like rooms and stuff. So I was like you know what I'll prefer, and Nahargarh fort is like very beautiful. The architecture, the art inside the fort, the architecture and everything is all yellow. It's a beautiful place. वहाँ से व्यू भी सेक्सी था. So we chose Nahargarh fort. फोर्ट के पास हम लोगों को लंच करना था. The only problem with the Nahargarh fort was वहाँ पे you'll also have this place शीश महल, some museum to check out, जिसमें AC है. So AC के लिए हम लोग चले गए. शीश महल भी काफ़ी beautiful था, but it's a little expensive. I think just the शीश महल was 500 rupees. So it's up to you. It's a very small महल, but there is some small good history and storytelling inside. And नहीं, तुमको अकेले नहीं देखने देगा, एक झुंड को लेके जाएंगे अंदर, पूरा रूम भर देंगे. But yeah, it's just one big room, शीश महल. तुम्हारी मर्जी, no photos allowed. So it's up to you if you want to see that. And वहाँ पे ये खत्म होने के बाद छोटे मोटे रेस्टोरेंट्स थे. I think 2-3 धाबा टाइप्स थे. So food options were not there at Nahargarh Fort. Mostly people go to Nahargarh Fort first in the morning, so I don't think they'll have lunch there. That was a mistake. And वहाँ पे lunch कर लिया, but then there were no washrooms. Washrooms was there was a washroom, but not preferable. I mean, I'm not being like a high maintenance girl, but क्या बोलूँ मैं. So washrooms and food was a problem at Nahargarh Fort. So plan accordingly so that you don't have to have lunch over there. And वहाँ से सीधा आमेर फोर्ट आता है आपके रास्ते में. So you go to Amer Fort. So here's the thing. Once we reached Amer Fort, this cab driver that we took tells us that मैं ऑलरेडी बहुत देर आपके लिए वेट किया, मैं और वेट नहीं कर सकता. आई एम लाइक, तुमने खुद बोला कि यू आर गोइंग टू वेट एंड नाउ यू आर टेलिंग मी दैट यू कांट वेट. व्हाट द, ही इज लाइक पे मी 1500. आई एम लाइक व्हाट. आई एम लाइक आई पे यू 1000. ठीक है. बोलते हैं नहीं आपके लिए वेट किया मैं, वो ये अभी मेरा बिजनेस. आई एम लाइक, तो ये सब कुछ तुमने ऑफर किया था, मैंने थोड़ी मांगा था कि पूरा दिन तुम मुझे दे दो. You agreed to 2000 and now you are telling me that whatever you agreed to was the problem. I'm like, I'm not even asking to do anything different. So the guy ditched us there. I paid 1200 or something. Annoying. So take that full 1 day ka cab from this tourist website. I'll attach it. We went into Amer Fort. वहाँ पे damage control करिए. We bought all the cabs and all. It's my personal favorite. I still have it in my heart. My brain is still there. It's a very beautiful fort. It's scenic. It's very big. It's huge. एंड या वहाँ पे आपको छाँव मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो अपना प्रिपरेशन करके जाइए. एंड एनर्जी नहीं है तो मत जाइए, एन्जॉय नहीं कर पाओगे. हम थक गए, मर गए. हमको पता नहीं कैसे लगा 2-2 फोर्ट हम एक दिन में देख लेंगे आफ्टर सिटिंग ऑन वर्किंग डेस्क जॉब्स फॉर लाइक half the year and thinking that yeah we could do 25k steps a day. That day our steps were 27k I guess. Anyways, we went to Amer Fort. It's a beautiful fort. थक गए थे, but then we still got good pictures. मैंने गाइड नहीं लिया क्योंकि वहाँ पे हालत ऐसा था. पीपल वाले मैडम 500 से 100 तक चला गया वो. देन आई एम लाइक, मेरे को अभी तो जानना ही नहीं है. लाइक 100 में अगर तुमको बताना एक, so you know if the price is falling that much, I'm like this makes no sense. The ticket was costly enough to 200 or something. So we went and उसमें एक मंदिर भी है. I liked it and it was like obviously very cold inside the mandir. Felt good visiting the temple. And then we went into the fort. We enjoyed. And fort देखने के बाद हमको लाइट शो देखना था. So now the thing is लाइट शो का टिकट अलग था जो हमने खरीदा नहीं. So and लाइट शो आप सीधा आमेर फोर्ट से नहीं जा सकते. You will have to come out of the fort. You'll have to take a small auto or something because it's a long way. You have to go there. And people over there told us that there are crocodiles there. So I don't know. I was hoping to see one like an idiot. Anyway, so you have to go along the way. You can't walk. Trust me, you can't walk. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा ऑटो का पैसा खर्च होगा. बट देन दिस ऑटो गाइस सेड मैडम आपका खत्म होते मुझे कॉल कर लेना, मैं आपको ड्रॉप कर दूंगा. वी आर लाइक ठीक है, फिर से ट्रस्ट कर लेते हैं. वो ड्रॉप करा एंड द साउंड शो वाज माय गॉड. आई लव्ड इट. आई मीन द सरप्राइजिंग थिंग वाज the light and sound was very like effective, good and all. It's not rubbish. It's real story. It's good entertainment. And we were sitting in the open on like an open space above the lake. Felt good, and there were no mosquitoes. I don't know how they handled that. So no mosquitoes were biting us, and it was a good show. And by the time the show was over, we were able to see night moon and all. And I was like, wow. Anyway, so after that we came back to the hostel, and then we were like, हमको बार पलाडियो देखना है, हम कल निकल रहे. तो कल हमने प्लान किया था 3rd डे चेकआउट कर लेंगे हॉस्टल से and then we'll directly go to Bhangar Fort and then we'll not come back, we'll directly go take a train. So we had a train that day, so we checked out in the morning. So we were planning on taking the bags with us. So that's why on day 3 we booked the cab from the Jaipur Travel and Tourism website for the whole day. And so we were like day 3 we are leaving, we will not get the time to like go to Bar Palladio. Let's just quickly get ready and go to Bar Palladio. इतना मन था कि आमेर फोर्ट से वापस आने के बाद बस नहा के सोने का. But then we are like नहीं कर सकते. So we just quickly changed, just washed our faces and all, and then we nicklified to Bar Palladio. And Bar Palladio guy says no, the entry is closed, it's too late. जो आंसू आए, जो रोना आया. उसके बगल में कुछ तो पैलेस था जिसका कुछ कैफे ओपन था. सो वी वेंट देयर एंड वहाँ जाके देखो तो बोलते हैं सिर्फ डेजर्ट्स. बार पलाड़ी वाला हमको बस थोड़ा अंदर आके फोटो तक लेने नहीं दिया, देखने तक नहीं दिया. लाइक क्या यार, अच्छे से तैयार होके गए थे. एंड देन वी केम आउट एंड देन वी वेंट टू दिस कैफे. कैफे वाला बोलते हैं सिर्फ डेजर्ट्स. आई एम लाइक सो फिर से वहाँ पे ऑटो का पैसा बर्बाद, हॉस्टल से यहाँ आए, डेजर्ट तो नहीं खाने वाले हम डिनर के बिना. वापस ऑटो लेके हॉस्टल गए, कपड़े चेंज कर लिए ऑर्डर कर लिए डिनर। आई एम लाइक ये जो 1 घंटा वेस्ट हुआ, एक नहीं है 1.5 आवर वेस्ट हुआ। एनीवेज डिनर करके हम सो गए। अगला दिन उठे, थोड़ा एनर्जी था लग रहा था, बट वी वर जस्ट फूलिंग आवरसेल्व्स। देन वी टुक द द ट्रैवल गाइड। दिस गाय केम वेरी लेट। मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आया, फेल्ट लाइक नॉट ट्रस्टिंग हिम, बट देन ही वाज गुड ऑन द वे टू भांगड़ फोर्ट। इट्स क्वाइट फार ऑनेस्टली, and then yeah, he came late, but then we kind of made it on time, and we were actually very hungry. The worst part is we reached the fort exactly at lunchtime. So sue me. And we had all our bags in the cab and we went, and Bhangar Fort was not what we thought it should be. The drama, the hype, it's not at all worth it. It's all a big lie. We went there, the sun was killing us, so we did all the necessary hiding. My friend had to become a Taliban goon or something to hide herself from the sun. And we went there. वहाँ पे tour guide, I think we were just too tired. We know that we would need somebody's help or motivation to go to the fort. My friend was literally sitting in the car and telling me, you know what, तू जा videos लेके आ, मैं यहाँ पे बैठी रहती हूँ. I was like, is she really going to do that? But no. So when the tour guide was telling us all the बकवास, आप देख नहीं पाओगे, आप समझ नहीं पाओगे, यहाँ पे ये है, वहाँ पे वो है, मैं सब समझा दूंगा, तुम वो ये सब कुछ बोला. एंड हम पहले नहीं मान रहे थे, बट देन वो हमारा पीछा किया पीछा किया पीछा किया जैसे हम जा रहे थे. बहुत रास्ता है यार फोर्ट तक जाने के लिए. इट्स अ वेरी बिग एरिया. द मिसकंसेप्शन इज पीपल थिंक दैट द फोर्ट और द पैलेस इज वेरी बिग, बट द फोर्ट इज वेरी स्मॉल. द एरिया इज वेरी बिग. सो वो हमारा पीछा किया. देन वी आर लाइक ठीक है ले लेते हैं. माई फ्रेंड लाइक वॉज लाइक ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस मी, चलते हैं ना. तो 300 में मान लिया था वो. हमारे साथ आगे तक चला. चलने से पहले कहानी शुरू कर दे रहा है. हम लाइक ये क्या है, फोर्ट तो पहुंचने दो. हम लाइक ठीक है बहुत कहानी है. कहानियां, एक बंदी यहाँ से कूद के मर गई, एक बंदा यहाँ पे रात को वीडियो लेने आया मर गया. हमने ये कौन सा क्राइम फाइल्स या फिर वो जो जी टीवी में आता था, ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पर. मैंने कहा असली कुछ कहानी बता कि हुआ क्या था यहाँ पर. फिर जाके बोला कि भूकंप था. एंड देन द स्टोरी वाज वन महर्षि सेड डोंट, सॉरी वन मुस्लिम था, somebody said don't build any building जिसका शैडो मेरे पे गिरेगा. And after some research, I just realized this fort is like an architectural disaster, and it was constructed at the wrong place. And वहाँ पे भूकंप की वजह से गिर गया, गंदा था, and people died. But it happened after the curse of some pandit or whatsoever. So it is like they say that it is haunted by the pandita, yeah, somebody, or Rani Ratnavati. Yeah, I'm so disinterested. Like after what people, the hype and the place का expectation versus reality हो जाने के बाद, I'm like done with it. I don't care for it anymore. So he took us there, and the entrance, like nobody fucking cares about this palace, and the entrance is through gutter. You have to cross gutter literally. Like I think it's because of rainy season, water आ रहा था, but rainy season नहीं है तो शायद नहीं आता. But then I'm like, really, there is no better way. There's literally no way. My friend had to take off her shoes, wet her feet in that, and I took this risky ass route. If I fell, that would be the worst day of my life if I fell. So the one thing this tour guide was helpful was helping me cross that space. And sadly my friend couldn't do it, so she had to get her feet wet, which is honestly. So I realized government has given up on this fort. अंदर जाते जाते मेरे को लोकल्स दिख रहे थे. एंट्री टिकट इज लाइक 40 या 50 रुपीज़. अंदर जाते जाते मेरे को लोकल्स दिख रहे हैं. कोई भी टूरिस्ट नहीं है वहाँ पर. ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ लोकल्स आए हुए हैं एवं पिकनिक मनाने. कुछ लड़के आसपास के लाइक वेले लड़के आए हैं एक पॉन्ड के जैसा, उसमें डुबकी लगाने. बाकी सारे कपल्स और आंटियां एवं ही चढ़ रही है फोर्ट, लाइक ऐसे टाइम पास करने. नोबडी लुक लाइक अ टूरिस्ट देयर एक्सेप्ट फॉर अस. सो सॉरी. सो हम लोग जा रहे थे. ये सारा बकचोदी गोस्ट स्टोरी सुना दिया हमको. सुनाने के बाद बोलता है दैट्स इट. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. एंड फिर बोलते हैं या इतना ही है. आई एम लाइक हमने फोर्ट चढ़ना शुरू भी नहीं किया था. बोलते हैं हाँ स्टोरी इतना है, आप चाहते तो मैं आपके साथ आ सकता हूँ, बट देन बस और कुछ नहीं, आप ऐसे बस 3 फ्लोर ऐसे चढ़ के आ जाओ. आई एम लाइक वी वर सो टायर्ड एट दैट पॉइंट टू इवन आर्ग्यू विद दिस गाय. आई एम लाइक यू नो व्हाट, जस्ट लेट हिम गो, एटलीस्ट थोड़ा पीस मिलेगा. अपना बकचोदी स्टोरीज बताने के बाद चला गया वो. पता नहीं क्या तो डराने का नाटक किया. फिर लाइक द ऑडेसिटी. आफ्टर वी पेड ही टेल्स अब थोड़ा तो कहानियां बनाना पड़ेगा, टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन. आई एम लाइक मुंह ना तोड़ दूं मैं तेरी. Oh my god, जो गुस्सा आया, but I was like, fuck it. We went, बस 2 floor है वो. There is nothing to see. It's all ruined rocks and all, and nobody has taken care of it, cleared shit and like made it a place where tourists can come. It's just खंडर. तुमको जाना है तो जाओ, वरना नहीं. That's it. और कुछ नहीं था. But I did see some people still doing some kind of pujas behind the fort, and I was like, no way. Took a U-turn and then we died for some reason. I think the sun, I really don't know. It was filled with hills and all, but there was no wind and the sun was like, we experienced sun on the day before also, but then that day it was like very weird and the fort smells very bad. It smells very bad. So carry whatever you want to or just miss Bhangar food. It's nothing. So वहाँ से वापस आके हम लोग lunch किए. Then we are like, huh, we still have time. So my friend pushed me. She kind of like gave that motivation. चलो ना. वो मरे हुए मरीज हालत में हमारे पास ट्रेन के लिए अभी भी कुछ 2-3 घंटे बाकी थे. We took that risk and we went to Bar Palladio. It's a beautiful place. The place looked great. We didn't. So we went to the washroom, tried to like touch up, but nothing was happening. We needed medication and sleep. So we had our dinner there. We took some medicines and we got onto the train. So that was our Jaipur trip. I hope I was able to help with some tips or some mistakes or some scams to save your money. Hope you will come back to watch my videos. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Bye bye.